Holy cow. Okay, well, I got other problems. I don't know if you can see back there to it or not. Right there. There we go, it's focusing. See all that water running down out of that drain pipe? Well, beside the drain pipe. I've had a water leak for a while. I didn't know that I've had it, evidently. Okay, I'm not really gonna go underneath there no more than I have to. Come on, camera. Right there. I think I know what it is. Okay. I don't know how well you can see it or not. I don't have my flashlight in here with me. But there's this pop-off valve or pressure relief valve. And it's actually went bad. And that's what the problem is. Probably Home Depot, Lowe's, but any of those places will have one. I replaced one of these here just a couple of years ago. And I get to put another one in. But anyway, at least it's a relatively easy fix. Okay, I am here at the good old Home Depot. And let's see here. Yeah, $14.97 later, I have a brand new pressure relief valve. Alright, so now I hurry up and get home and install it. Of course, it'll probably be way after dark by the time I get home. It's already starting to get dark. Okay, I am on my way. Alright, I'm back inside. I got some more light on the situation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get that relief pipe off. This right there. Wow. That was tight. I'm in some really tight quarters here. There we go. And getting this whole thing to turn is going to be a challenge. Okay, that's going to require two hands. Bear with me. Alright, and I finally got that off. Kind of had a little bit of corrosion in there. Well, no more than what it is. It'll be alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get this to break loose. I don't think that it will be any trouble at all, or at least I hope anyway. Wow. Okay, I'm going to have to turn the camera off once again. Just bear with me for a moment, please. Yep, you can see that I've got it loose finally. And it's just a matter of getting it unthreaded, and yeah, you can tell it's been leaking. Oh, there we go. There should be, there'll be a little bit of water to run out, but it won't be very much, I don't think. Okay, I was wrong. There was a lot in there. Okay, for this job it's going to require a tripod. So I'll get my tripod all set up. Then I will show you how I'm going to go about doing this. But first, let me get out of this closet here. I've got the new valve here somewhere. Here we go. I went ahead and put Teflon tape on it to have it ready. and make sure that I've already inspected it to make sure it's nothing wrong with it. Now the only thing left is go ahead and install it. And just hang with me for a moment while I get the tripod up. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shove one in it as fast as I can get one out. Just like that. And take the pliers and go ahead and tighten it down. I think one more turn. I think I can get it with one more turn. Just a little more. That should do it. Actually, that's more like it. And now I'll go ahead and thread this back in. Well, I said that I would. Let me do some resituating here. I don't know if that'll do any good or not. This part of the pearl nut part doesn't spin. Yeah, there's just not enough room in here. I'm going to turn the camera back off. Okay, better. I finally got that on. I wrestled with it and wrestled with it for about 10 minutes, it seemed like. Then it finally started to take thread. So now, what's left is to go ahead and turn it on. Alright. And no sound, no hissing, so evidently that's fixed the problem. Okay, so here's what the problem was, and you look inside here and you'll see that this was eat up. And the sad part is I don't know how long it had been bad. I don't know. Well, it's fixed for a while anyway. Let's see what we can tear up next. Thanks for watching.